So what's up, Louie?
We're gonna deep fry some shrimps.
Oh, we are? Great.
Did that sound southern?
That sounded southern, some
shrimps. And we're gonna have some adobo shrimp tacos.
Okay.
With whole wheat tortillas and a smoked barbecue chipotle coleslaw.
It sounds heavenly.
Great.
You just put me to work, because I am so ready to get this meal going.
I love that. This is a 16-ounce package of already mixed coleslaw. What we're gonna do is we're gonna take some mayonnaise, 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise.
Okay.
And I'm gonna go ahead and chop 1 bunch of green onions.
Okay.
And then you're gonna take that sour cream.
Yeah.
And you're gonna do half of that.
Half of an 8-ounce cup.
Yes. And what you want, if you don't want to use regular sour cream, you could use light sour cream or light mayonnaise. No. What'd you just say?
I didn't say a word. You know, to me, Louie, just eating a piece of lettuce.
You know, they warned me about that. We're gonna
They did.
Yes, ma'am. They sure did. Green onions in there.
All right, green onions.
All right. While you're mixing that up, I'm gonna chop a 1/4 cup of cilantro.
All right, now you got some lime here. What are we gonna do?
Take those limes, and the lime juice is gonna be our acidity, because usually when you make coleslaw, we use vinegar.
The juice of 2 limes or just 1?
2.
And I have to say, I've never used lime in coleslaw before, but it sounds good to me.
Well, today you're with me.
Yes, I'm with you.
Let's put up 1 tablespoon.
All right, now what kind of seasoning is this?
The smoked barbecue chipotle. It's got a little paprika, cumin, chili powders, smoked chipotle.
It's a little smoky tasting.
A little spice to it.
It's very good.
It's different. Almost tastes like barbecue potato chips to me.
That's exactly what it tastes like, barbecue potato chips.
It's great on tortillas. Great, look at that. Perfect.
Yes, it looks delicious, and it's rather on the thin side, y'all,
yes,
because those limes had so much juice.
And I'm gonna pull out the shrimp. We have some medium-sized shrimps.
Where are the tails?
Well, we gotta eat it in the tacos. We don't want to choke ourselves.
That's right.
We don't want to choke ourselves. Okay, you're gonna do half of this fried. You can do a little bit more if you want.
Okay, because I know you're gonna eat them grilled, and I'll probably eat the fried ones.
I'm gonna mix this all together while you go ahead and fry the shrimp. What I need you to do is whisk the 2 cups of flour.
Okay. Yeah, I see some cornmeal down in there, don't I?
Yes, 1 cup of cornmeal.
Okay, I like that.
You like that? And we're gonna put some adobo seasoning in that.
Okay, how much?
About 2 tablespoons.
Okay, the coleslaw looks scrumptious.
Scrumptious. And if you want, you could add more barbecue seasoning to it if you want. I mean, that's up to you.
It's gonna have a little bite to it,
yes,
isn't it?
that's a love bite.
So I'm just gonna coat our shrimp in the flour mixture.
You grab the fork here. Do you want to try it?
Yes, I do.
Here you go, baby.
Louie, that might be some of the best coleslaw I've ever eaten. And our fryer is set to 350 degrees, and it probably won't take but about 3 minutes to cook these.
It's gonna be delicious.
All right, so in go our shrimp.
All right.
Now, Louie's gonna grill the rest of our shrimp.
And I got a little adobo seasoning I'm gonna put on this and a little olive oil on the shrimp.
Yeah, so they won't stick.
Yes, ma'am.
And I'm gonna give your grill a spray, Louie.
Spray me, baby, spray me.
So you won't have a sticked up mess.
There we go.
And we got your grill hot for you.
Yes, it is. Ooh, perfect. And this is probably gonna take about 3 to 5 minutes.
Now, I'm gonna grate up about a cup, just a sharp cheddar cheese, Louie. And we just add that to our rice.
And we never had cheese in our rice. And I think I'm gonna love this because I love cheese. All right, these shrimps are ready.
So yeah, you're gonna like this rice, honey.
We'll take our shrimp and some fried shrimp next to it. Let's put a little rice over here, and a little bit of coleslaw there. What you think? It's for me and you, huh?
Oh my gosh. Do
That
you
is delicious.
love our poo-poo platter?
Our poo-poo platter. You ready?
I was born ready.
Yes, ma'am.
Oh my gosh.
I'm gonna take some of this.
Uh-huh.
And it's just a simple wrap.
The taste of the coleslaw, y'all, is incredibly refreshing and delicious.
Yeah, we got a little shrimp.
Shrimps.
And, you know, people wrap up the tortillas and it falls all over you. We're gonna save the end of open space.
Okay.
I'm gonna take a little bit of this on top.
Yes.
You're drooling over there, ma'am.
I am. I'm swallowing hard.
You're drooling.
All right, I want to see how you...
You know, that
Okay,
there.
that's the way I do mine.
So you hold
also.
that button so it won't
Yes.
fall. And just
Yes, because I don't like stuff falling out of the end of mine. Oh, my goodness. Thank you, Louie.
Ready?
Oh, no.
Oh, you're fine. You're welcome. That rice is good. It's got a bite to it. It's so good.